iconic duo of Kathy Levin, Jean Bice. It truly is a dream jean, if you will. And that's what we call a segue in the biz. This is the Quacker Factory Dream Jeans. It is the regular sparkle scalloped crop pant. New today. This is our big deal. It is the only order of the year. What does big deal mean, John? It means before it is gone. It should be $62. You are getting it for $50.98. 3 easy payments of $16.99 will get this home. Only order of the year. When it is gone, it is gone. I mean, this is just so playful. It's easy, and 4,000 orders have been placed today. John, these were new.
Can I just tell a quick story before we get into colors? I promise it'll be quick.
Yes.
Okay. So last year in January, we introduced a pair of pants similar to these.
Okay.
In the overnight, you know, like 1 a.m., 2 a.m. show, something like that.
Right.
You loved them so much that they were pretty much gone. I don't think we presented them again. So our team went ding, ding, ding. Our gal loves this pant. How can we bring it back, but do it in a big way? The big deal.
This is it. The big deal.
The big deal.
The big deal. You have regular and short options. The regular inseam is 25 inches, short is 23. Extra, extra small through 5X are your sizes. This is our medium wash. If you can pick up more than one today, if you can afford to grab more than one, you will not be disappointed. Then we have our white option. I think everyone needs a clean white pant in their wardrobe, if not more than one, because the spillage, you know.
Oh, I get iced
happen,
coffee on
especially
everything.
if you're around John.
Yes, me too, and Angel.
Then we've got our, this is our dark indigo. Then we have the sand, followed by our shadow pink.
Yes.
Now these will match back to a lot of other options we had in our show that you can check out on QVC.com, or we will show you some, I think, still coming up.
Yes.
But this really is a dream jean for a reason.
So Jean Bice, our founder, so we've been talking about her so much today. There's a, we'll bring up a picture of her shortly. So she had given up on wearing denim, John. She said, forget it, it's too stiff, it's too uncomfortable, I don't want to do it, no. And then years later, she changed her mind. As women often do,
you know,
right?
You can't be held to what you think one day.
Well, and fashion changes, so why should we change our minds about fashion as well? So she said, okay, I want to look like I'm wearing denim. I don't want to feel like I'm wearing denim. She found this fabric and said, I cannot be the only one. So we brought this fabric. We debuted it in September of 2010 in 3 different silhouettes.
Okay.
We've now done over 100, this being one of the newest, and the other you saw in that capri, the Floribunda capri, right? This is a knit French terry, dyed to look like denim. We identify all of our dream jeans with that signature heart to let you know, oh yeah, that's that fabric that crazy girl Angel's always going on about.
Listen to your heart and watch your dreams come true.
Exactly.
Perfect timing for that quote to come up.
In this waistband, we give you that little bit of extra stitching to help with the twisting that sometimes happens with a fully elasticized classic waist. 5-pocket styling on this, and in a slim leg-ish, you know, silhouette. So it's not as tight as a legging, it's not as loose as a straight leg, it's somewhere right in between in that slim leg. But then what we did to give you that Quacker touch, the scalloped hem, thank you, because I forgot to mention that, the scalloped hem at the end, adorned with rhinestones, and that little V. Now I appreciate that V, John, because I have a full calf. And so my, you know, my calf takes up all of the fabric. So I love that little vent because that helps me get these on, helps me get these off a little bit easier. And it's just easing down my body. Very, very comfortable. Now, because these come in short and regular, if I wanted a shorter, true of a crop pant, 23 inches, I could get the short. But I chose to just go ahead with the regular length in these to show you that you can wear these right now. Yes, am I wearing a sandal? I am. But I could wear these with shooties, with booties, with really cute sneakers that are popping up all over the place.
Yes, the fashion sneakers.
I'm all in on the sneaker.
Everywhere, a dressy sneaker.
Everywhere, I love them, right? You could totally wear that with these.
Yeah.
And again, please remember, we did a similar pair last year and you love them so much. They had like 1 appearance on air overnight.
I mean, look,
and you loved them.
I have to say, I love these. And the fact that people are picking up more than one
Very smart.
is, you know, a warning to everyone that when they are gone, they are gone. It's the only order of the year. You have this great scalloped edge with the sparkle and shine that we know from Quacker Factory,
Yes.
but I have to say the silhouette of this is so beautiful
It is.
that it's really tastefully done. You just get that sparkle and shine in short little bits. You don't,
Right.
it's not overwhelming.
Right.
You decide whether you want, oh, well, we've got some model footage which I'll show because this is great.
I think that's Luann. I'm pretty sure
That is
that's
Luann, yeah.
she's 5'9", and today we didn't have a lot of sizing available for her, so I believe she's wearing the medium.
Okay.
Typically she could wear a small.
Okay.
Right, but the nice thing about Dream Jeans is if you're in between sizes, you could go up a size. If you missed out on your size in a particular color, you could try going, you know, up one size because, you know, there's not 10 inches different between sizes. It's just a few inches here and there. So just keep that in mind. You know, our Dream Jeans, they come in and they go right back out.
Right. So if you missed our colors, let's run through them again.
Great.
Because you do not want to miss out. It is our big deal. Do not miss out on this price. This is our
Dark
indigo. Dark indigo is super popular. People are picking up more than one.
Smart.
This is the white.
So this is
Or,
sand,
sorry, this is sand.
actually. And then this is the white.
Then we've got our white. Then we have our shadow pink.
Shadow pink.
And then the medium
Yes.
wash.
Here we go.
These are going to pair with everything you have in your
Yes.
closet.
Agreed.
But it is that easy on. You do not have to sacrifice style
No.
for comfort.
Absolutely. I'll tell you what, I've been so comfortable in these. And last night when I was on this morning from 2 to 3 a.m. with Monifa, I wore these right out of the building. I put on my sneakers.
Right.
I didn't wear sandals. You know, it was like 30 degrees, maybe 40. It might have been 40 degrees. I don't know. But I threw my sneakers on. So comfortable. I wear Dream Jeans all the time.
Right.
All the time. And often on social media, I've had people write me and say, Angel, thank you. I tried Dream Jeans. Dream Jeans were my first purchase. I don't know why I waited so long.
Right.
Why did I wait so long to just dive in? A big deal is the perfect opportunity to dive in to some Dream Jeans for the comfort and the ease. Quacker was the first brand to bring in knit denim to QVC. Many have followed suit.
Many have followed suit.
And you know, so and a lot of people, I know I'm biased, but a lot of people come to me and say, I like yours the best. Like, I know.
Because they're great.
Because they're great.
And there's something, you said it,
Yes.
you can live in these.
Yes.
This is something that is life friendly. It is going to go
Yes.
and move with you so easily. You're going to look elevated because you have that great sparkle and shine. You have that feminine detail at the scallop.
Some little hint of sparkle.
But it's going to feel so beautiful on your skin because it is that knit terry. So that is that great looping in there that is going to move with you. It's breathable. This is something, I mean, this dark denim, throw on right now with your favorite oversized, you know, turtleneck, a white cream turtleneck. But then this can transition so beautifully into those summer months with the flowy blouse,
Yes.
you know. It is that easy on, fantastic feel, and the price point for $50.98. When I talk about denim, I already said denim is one, hard to find, but two, the price tag on denim, if you go to a store with a door, it's going to be uncomfortable.
Yeah.
It's going to be a lot more money. If you have not tried out the Dream Jeans, this is the time. If you are someone who has a closet full of them, this is the time. Pick up the phone, call 800-500-7590, because it is the only order this year. It is new today.
Yeah, you don't have these.
You don't have
You
these
don't have
in your
these.
wardrobe,
Yeah.
and this is going to be that easy addition at an incredible price. 3 easy payments of $16.99. Over 4,000 of them have been ordered today.
Luann's wearing the regular length. Kulani is wearing the short length.
Okay.
So depending upon how tall you are, they will hit you differently. You know, these are a cropped pant. They're not crops.
Right.
Typically our crops are 23 inches for the inseam. We had them earlier with the nautical design, right?
Okay.
These are a cropped pant. So they're just like more like an ankle, a little bit closer. I don't have any makeup on my feet. My apologies for my Freddie Flintstone little detail there.
Well, you're wearing
but
our medium wash,
I'm,
correct?
I'm wearing the medium wash in the 1X in the regular length.
Okay.
Okay.
People are picking up more than one. A lot of people are picking up the dark indigo,
Okay.
and the medium wash. Friend to friend, we're gonna have a serious moment here. If you are picking up one of them, add a pop of color or a little something different to the cart. Call 800-500-7590 because you know you are already loving the style, the shape, the fit, everything. Get something different and challenge yourself, because I think when you add a little pop of color or difference, dynamic to the bottom, it is going to flatter your silhouette so beautifully. It is an instant outfit elevator. Is that the right
really
word?
is.
Elevator.
Well, I mean, and the whole point
That's
of
something you ride up and down floors.
Elevated.
Elevation.
There we go.
Elevation. So do not wait.
Elevation.
$50.98 is that big deal price.
Yes. Well, I mean, and the whole point of a big deal is we only bring in a certain amount
Right.
for a limited time, right?
Yeah.
And so, you know, why wouldn't you want to get the sale?
It truly is. I get so excited when we have a deal and when we have something that we know you love at home. This is the time to pick it up. I know a lot of people are picking up the light.
The medium
this
wash?
is the medium wash. The short is a little more limited. Is that in all of our sizes? In all of our sizes.
Okay.
So the short is a little more limited. Angel, you spoke to this a little earlier. Can people pick up the regular?
Absolutely. So with the regular inseam, you have a 25-inch inseam. For some of you, if you're very petite, that could be your full-length pant.
Right.
Even though this is a cropped pant, it could be your full-length pant. So many of you write me and say, Angel, your boot cuts have a 28.5-inch inseam. They're still too long for me. What can I do? I always say, go look at our crop or our ankle pants, because that is a little bit shorter, so that will help you. Now, because we do these in regular and short, remember the rises are the same in the short and the regular. Your only measurement difference is that inseam. 23 inches on the short, 25 inches on the regular. So I could wear either. If I wanted more of a crop,
Right.
you know, it would just sit up a little bit higher on my leg, right? If I got the short, is what I'm saying.
Perfect.
But then the 25-inch really hits me closer to my ankle. Go
Now,
ahead, John.
This is the, he just saw me sprint across the set, but this is your Mother's Day outfit. This is your Easter brunch outfit. This is that graduation outfit. Easy done in the show. We have new items for you. Look no further. This is our cardigan we saw earlier with the DreamJeannes, but you can pair these so beautifully together. But then you can mix and match and get another pair. You can wear it with that dark indigo. It is a completely different look.
Love it.
That is the beauty of what you are getting today. If you can pick up more than one at this incredible price before it is gone, that is what a big deal means. This is the time to do it. I mean, I love the color combination of all of these because they really do match back beautifully to the items we've seen in this show.
They really
here's
do.
our
I'm
sand
sorry.
colors.
I just wiped my hair behind my ear and then totally pulled out my earpiece. So
Oh, it's fine.
Live TV.
We'll hear them regardless.
Yes.
They'll make themselves known. This is matching back to that sand. I mean, just a great look. If you have Quacker Factory pieces at home already, you can rest assured that this will really complete that capsule wardrobe. You just decide which of the colors you want. Whether it's our sand, our dark indigo, medium wash, I'm getting faster. Then we've got our shadow pink, followed by the white. $50.98. Do not miss out on that big deal price, because when it is gone, it is gone. It is the only order of the year, and it's new today. We've had over 4,000 ordered and a lot more in this show. It's item number A681.